Have you been feeling tired for no reason? Waking up drenched in sweat in the middle of the night? Or suddenly dealing with mood swings that make no sense? Let me tell you something important. You're not losing control. You're evolving. And what you're experiencing has a name: menopause. But the most important part, you can take control. And today, you'll learn exactly how. During perimenopause, many women experience hot flashes that hit like waves, sleepless nights that drain your energy, mood swings, anxiety, even sadness, vaginal dryness and decreased libido, weight gain and loss of muscle mass. These are real symptoms, but they are not your destiny. Society told you to accept it, that it's just part of aging, that nothing can be done. That's a lie. You don't have to suffer in silence. You can reclaim your balance, your body, and your strength, starting today. Here are 5 natural, proven ways to take back control. 1. Breathe. Deep, conscious breathing calms your nervous system and helps reduce hot flashes. 2. Move your body. Light exercise like walking, yoga, or swimming balances hormones and lifts your mood. You don't need intense workouts, just consistent movement. 3. Eat to heal. Include calcium, vitamin D, and phytoestrogens from foods like soy and flaxseed. Drink plenty of water, eat more fiber, and cut back on sugar and caffeine. 4. Sleep with intention. Create a bedtime ritual. Turn off screens. Practice breathing. Rest isn't a luxury, it's medicine. 5. Don't go through it alone. Talk about it. Connect with other women. This is not a burden, it's a shared experience. And you are not alone. At Vitalidad Total, we believe menopause isn't the end. It's the beginning of your most powerful self. This is your time to reconnect, rebuild, and rise. If this video spoke to you, drop a comment below and share your experience. And make sure to subscribe for more support, clarity, and healing. Because remember, awaken your power, because your best version starts today.